Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to you wherever you are watching this program from. Please kindly hit the subscription button if you have not subscribed to this channel and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. One of the bets that the Nigerian army came with to Biafra land to raid Biafrans and of course kill innocent and harmless citizens is down. Watch the compilation of all the videos of the bets that were flying around or over Olru today and the aftermath.
Wow, Kelsey came down Agaziaba like this. Jesus. Hey! Hey! Wow, I be like basketball. No, which kind of save this one? Jesus. Yeah, but now. It's not gone now.
What is happening? What is happening?
Hey, Jesus Christ, oh. Kevin come. Hey! Kevin in down a gari bicon. Eh? Kevin in down a boy, Jesus. The web. Hey! Now, what's the name inside? Una can't never.